YouTube, this is Random TCG Maker Show back with another video, and it's an update video. I have another 50 more cards here, and I'll tell you about some rules in the gameplay that has changed. So yeah, let's get right on to it. I have new cards here, which is now I had added a new rank, which is not really a new rank, but like half a rank. As you can see, this is a common, but still a limited edition, so it's limited edition common. And limited editions have these kind of items, and they have better attributes. Like, wait a minute, let me find first. I'm sorry. Yeah, there it is. So limited editions are like this. 200 power, 250 defense. They have slightly higher attributes, and they have skills, or if their normal units have skills, they have battle skills. So yeah, his skill is quite OP. And now we have four tankers. By the way, his name is called Tanker. Attributes. And there we have Guardian. As you can see from his name, he's probably a defensive robot. And yeah, this unit basically attacked first. Wow. So like, pretend your opponent there's a free space over here in the center. You can attack, but if you have this unit on the field, you must attack it first so it can save you. Next we have pretty cute guy, Rock Elemental. Of him, and we have Sand Elemental. And I'm trying to make a new line of elementals. So yeah. Next we have Sacrifice. It's once. Discard to cut. Opponent's life minus 100. That's a pretty OP card. You're trying to save your opponent has 100 high life points. And it's the turn you're attacking. You play this down. You discard 2 cards. Boom. Your opponent dies. Next we have Fusion. Oh, this is skill. Take a card and put it under your main card. Well, what I made my main card is, pretend I want to fuse Tanker into this limited edition Tanker. This limited edition Tanker is the main card, and this one is the fusion card. So yeah, and its attributes, put it under a card, and its attributes are added. So let's pretend like 200 defense added 450 defense to 200 power, and 200 power 400 power, and so yeah, and until end of turn, so it's only for one turn. Put the card under into your use card zone, so it's only for like once use. Well, it's not too shabby, and it's quite good. Yeah, and now I'm telling you about the new rules. See, the new rules I've made the lives from 500 to 600, so make the game longer lasting. And sure, pretend your opponent has this card on play, 350 defense, and you have this one, this unit, and let's say pretend pretend you have these 2 units down. These 2, you play them when it's your turn on attacking. His defense is 350. And I made a new rule that both your units can attack at once. You can have all 4 units attack at once if you have that much units, but you'll just be a waste. So his defense is 350, and his attack is 150 and 200. So it's added together is 350. It hits the Storm Titan. The Storm Titan dies unless your opponent wants to guard it or what. So yeah, that's basically the end of this video. And yep, this is Random TCG signing off, and make sure to check out my other videos leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, because I'll be doing a 10 subscriber special. And bye bye.